I am afraid to open this. Sorry. So I've looked for this for months, because when it released, you know, I didn't even realize this existed until it was sold out. So after months of trying to find it, I can't. I'm so excited. I can already see it. It's cool. So that was months of, you know, research. Finally, someone from Spain put this up for sale. So I saw my chance to get it. Oh my god. Okay, she's the girl who, honestly, oh, sorry, you couldn't see. She's the girl I bought like a couple of times from her. She's amazing, really kind. And everything arrives super well. Okay. Let's just start it. You can tell what this is, right? For the color, maybe? Now you sure can tell. Oh my god! Oh wait, this PC is super big. I thought this was really tiny, like normal PC sized. Oh my god! Oh my god! It even comes with the plastic. Oh, I'm sorry for the loud noise this makes. This PC is freaking it's so big. Like, look at my hand. Oh my god. Like, you can definitely tell what this is. Okay, let's first open these. She put some freebies that I think they are not freebies. She actually put me some official merch as freebie. You've gotta be kidding? Really? Like, really? Oh, let's find out. But like, can she be cuter? This is wait a second, this is official from the photo book. Damn. I'm kind of like, I already have this since she I bought her the photo book. So this came with the photo book, but she gave me another one. Also, I don't know if this was like a pre-order benefit or something. By the way, this is so cute. These are like the drawings they made for themselves. I'm very hot. Yeah, you are. It was really funny to watch. Damn. Oh. Terry. Oh, that's so cute. Toto. That's very cute. Oh, I can't. That's okay. Oh my god. I cannot believe, like, she gave me those. And here's the Yeonjun PC that came with, you know what? Oh, this comes like inside here. I'm not really sure of this, but I guess the PC came with the top loader already. This is amazing. This is so big. Like, you cannot tell. Let me find something like a normal photo card for you to see. So this is a normal photo card. Like, this is how big. This don't fit in my binder. I don't know what I'll do. But we'll see. And I guess this is the top loader that came with this PC for this. I guess, because it says Weaver Shop. So I guess I just put that inside without trying to like, okay, this is kind of stuffed in here, so I'm a bit afraid of this PC getting ruined because of me, but that's okay. Like, I don't know, since it kind of leaks here, but it just looks cute and it's a top loader, so I think I'll just keep him in here forever. Now let's go for the most exciting part, for the thing I've been, oh, I think I broke that. Well, me trying to, I'm not sure, but whatever. Let's see what it says here. Just bracelet things. And the official, like, thing. I'm so excited to open this. I can't. Let's open this. I can do it. I can do it. Okay. I can do it. That's okay. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. I found him. This is so pretty. Can you see the Yeonjun thing? And the birthday, like, oh my god. Let's take this. Let's take this like out of here. Okay, okay. Oh, I gotta take this out so I can take this out. And now how am I supposed to like this? Don't kill me if you're watching this. I'm trying. Okay. I can't. This is so pretty. Can you see like the Yeonjun engravement? And then, oh my freaking god. This is so pretty. And also, there's like this smiley face with the TXT logo. I think it's really cute. And then there's the TXT logo here. This is so pretty. I want to wear this on a daily basis. I hope it doesn't get really like scratched or anything, but you know, Yeonjun is like, I love all TXT. I really do. Like, I mean, I'm multi 5 biased, but like Yeonjun he gives me this kind of comfort. Honestly, they all do as a group, but it's kind of different. Do I really love them all? I just want to make that clear. It's just Yeonjun. It's not because he's handsome, like really handsome. Yeah, we all know that. But there's something about him, about his attitude, that makes me accept myself more, I guess. So that's why he's so important to me. And that's why I wanted to have this bracelet. I don't know if I'm planning on like looking for the other members' bracelets, since I know Taeyeon's was already sold out and Subin's was already sold out when I like found out they were having bracelets too, but that's okay. I'm super happy about this. I love this person who sold this to me. Like, I swear to God, thank you so much. I'm gonna start wearing this right now, and I will just take it off for showers and things like that. And yeah, and thank you so much for the freebies. I think she won't be seeing this, but if she does, thank you so much. And I will just send her proof now. And thank you so much for this. I don't know what else to say. I just wanted to like share this moment with you. No pauses nor anything. Just Yeonjun and my happiness. I just wanted to show you how this looks like. Big hit, you didn't think that my wrist is super tiny. So I don't know if you can see, but I have it hanging like not on any of the where it should be hanging, like it's hanging on the bracelet itself, because yeah, my wrist is super tiny. But I just wanted to show you how this look like. Someone had to help me put it on, but that's fine. I love it, and I won't ever take this off. Well, obviously just for basic care. But yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, you cannot imagine. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my unpacking OT5 photo cards very soon, when they all arrive, because they haven't all arrived. And yeah, see you soon, and I'll see how I display these super cute bugs and everything, and I'll see how I put this in my binder when I sort all the pieces that I have to sort once they are all here. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!